In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and set up the KeyBank mobile app. Let's jump right in so you can start banking conveniently from your mobile device. First, you'll want to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. It's that little shopping bag icon with a play button on your home screen, so just tap that to get started. Once you're in the Play Store, head straight to the search bar at the top. You'll want to type in KeyBank Mobile Banking here. As you perform your search, look out for the official app published by KeyBank NA. This official app is the one you want to download for a safe and secure banking experience. If your device is compatible, you'll notice an install button appearing alongside the app's details. Go ahead and tap install. This will kick off the download and automatically install the KeyBank mobile app on your device. If you're experiencing any trouble finding the install button, bear in mind that it might be due to compatibility issues, especially if you're using a setup like an Android emulator. For example, when using BlueStacks on a PC, you might come across a message that your device isn't compatible or that the install option is missing altogether. This is fairly common since some banking apps aren't designed to run on emulators for security purposes. Assuming your device is supported and the app has been installed seamlessly, tap Open to launch it. The app will then prompt you to log in using your KeyBank online banking username and password. If you don't have an online banking account set up yet, head over to key.com to enroll before proceeding. Once you've successfully signed in, there's an opportunity to make your future logins a breeze. You can set up options like fingerprint or face recognition for quick access to your account. And for even more convenience, you can enable a feature called Quick View. This lets you check your balances without having to fully sign in each time. With these steps completed, your KeyBank mobile app is all set and ready to use. Now you can easily monitor your account balance, pay bills, transfer funds, and deposit checks directly from the app, right at your fingertips. Before you start exploring all the features, a quick tip: always make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions while using the app. Also, a word to the wise: ensure you're downloading the official app from the Google Play Store. This is crucial for maintaining the security of your banking information. If at any point you find yourself wanting to use a PC or BlueStacks, remember that not all banking apps, including KeyBank's, might be compatible with such platforms due to security restrictions. That's all for today's tutorial. With your app now ready to go, banking from your phone has never been easier. Thanks for watching.